What's up, YouTube? It's Louis here. I hope you're well. I'm going on holiday. I'm going to Amsterdam for the week. I had such a mess yesterday. I really didn't believe I was going, guys. I was trying to sort out my COVID pass and COVID passport, whatever you want to call it. Just proof that you've had your vaccines. I've had all three vaccines to go on holiday. So you need it to go to specific places, and I've been using my passport. I go to Tottenham games, so whenever I go to the Tottenham game, you have to have it prepared to show them your COVID pass. And so I have it on my phone. Then literally yesterday, I go on my NHS app to check my COVID pass to see if it was there. And they were like, you can't access it because you need to verify yourself. Even though if I had it before, I had to have verified myself. Anyway, it logged me out. I had to verify myself. It told me it was going to take 7 days to verify. Minimum 24 hours to 7 days. And my flight was in 24 hours. This was yesterday, of course, and the flight is today. And yeah, so I'm panicking. I'm like, yeah, I just wasted over £1,000 on this holiday and I'm not even going to be able to get there. I can't cancel the hotel anymore. I have to pay a cancellation fee or pay the full price, even though I'm not turning up. It was free cancellation, but yeah, until like 2 days before we were set to go. And then day before we were set to go, this all happened. And then I called them up. They're like, you have to just pray. It just turns up before you get through security at the airport. And I'm waiting. Guys, of course I was distraught. I had to shed a few tears because I've been wanting to go on holiday out of the country, obviously, since COVID. Now, I've gone on holiday in the country, but I don't really count that as holiday, guys. When I say holiday, I mean get out of the country. So I haven't done that since before COVID when I went to Barcelona, like a few months before COVID happened. But anyway, yeah, it's all good. I called up again, even though they said 24 hours. Another person, a lady, said that actually it could be solved within 2 hours. 3 hours later, I got my COVID pass. I'm going to Dam today. I'm so excited, guys. I'm on holiday, so I won't be posting as much. Lucky enough to even get the Bitcoin update because, again, I just want to relax. And even then, I'm still working. Just shows you how, yeah, it just shows the grind, guys. I'll never stop doing this for you guys. And I hope you appreciate that. And if you do, please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to donate to the channel, please leave a super thanks. Check out the memberships if you're interested. Doesn't matter if not, if you can't afford it, that's totally fine. Everything you need is in the videos for free. This is why I tell you absolutely everything, because 99% of you will not apply it. That's why I don't care if I give out all this free information, because again, 99% of you will not apply it. No matter how many times I repeat it, you have to go and do it yourself. You have to go and lose. You have to try what I've been saying. You have to go and lose, and you get better and better and better. But again, if you can't get it from the videos alone, if you want it taught step by step, I have the course and I have the mentorship. And if you're interested in those, go to the link down below to my Twitter and private message me there so we can get you started on one of those two options. But heading back to Bitcoin now, we did print our 9th red week. This has never happened ever. I think back in 2014 we had 7 red weeks in a row. Somewhere 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Okay, well, I can't find it now, but I'm sure we had multiple red weeks. Okay. Yeah, I can't find it for you guys, but yeah, I'm sure there was like 7 weeks of red. Anyway, regardless, we found 5. I couldn't find more than that. But here we had 9. This has never happened before. And so where are we at? We're at the 200 EMA. We could come a bit lower. We could come and retest it again, because as you see, when we lose these EMAs, this is where we bottom out before continuation. We do come a little bit lower. We'll go to the monthly. We showed you a really troll, like everything in this market is a troll. The top here, 69k. Ethereum, 4,200, 420. Here, 69. Then yesterday, I showed you guys about the 69 moving average, and it works. It genuinely works. So you see, when you lost this 55, where'd you bounce off the 69 EMA? You came back. Where'd you bounce off the 69 EMA? Look, when you were trapped, where we at the 39k wick support, where I kept on telling you guys, if we lose this, we're going to enter a weekly bear market, because weekly downtrend now, and that's what's shown. And yeah, and you can see what was lining up with there, exactly that 69 EMA trapped in between. You then decided, okay, we're losing that wick with this red candle. Okay, bearish now. See it over here, you respecting it. Now we got this bearish cross with the 69 and the 20 EMA signaling the capitulation. Look over here, signaling the capitulation. Look over here, the 20 and the 69 signaling the capitulation. So it's a very good sign that this has already crossed over. It means that either the bottom's already in or it's coming. But looking in the past, guys, you can see that our bottom tends to be this 200 EMA. And yes, you can go below. And this is why I'm going to bring you over to the monthly time frame to again show you the 69 EMA and why it actually works. I was never taught this. I literally started playing around with it before I recorded the video yesterday. And guys, I couldn't believe how I was holding it exactly as support. So yeah, this is for me an EMA that I'm going to use going forward. I don't know if it's correct, but for me it's working out. And if it's working out for me, it's good enough for me. And yeah, you can see exact touch there. And yeah, this whole market is a troll. So yeah, 69 length EMA. So if we know if we ever lose this 55, you're going to come to the 69. So if we ever lose 24,600, I'm reading these values over here. So if we ever lose 24,658, then we should head to 21,478. Simple as that. You can see we are finding support on, well, we actually just slightly missed it. So this is why potentially, although we are bouncing first, as we literally predicted yesterday, we just knew that it had so many chances to go down. And it's gone back to the range highs, because when we're at the range lows, tend to go to the range highs. We already warned you guys. Yes, there's a descending triangle over here. Oh, the drawings are not there. But yes, we had a descending triangle over here. This is your downtrending resistance. This is your support over here. And you actually broke out bullish. So your target is back at the top. Technically, almost met it right now. But we're running into this 20 EMA. This is what we need to watch out for. Are we going to hold this for the continuation lower? Are we going to break this to get this continuation up? Our pump will be into 33 to 34k if we do break above the 20, which I've given you in yesterday's update already. Just going to get rid of that now. And then yeah, we just need to be patient, guys. There's yeah, nothing much more to say other than we can put a fib here now. If we zoom in, we can see what was actually going on. So on the 4 hour, you can see we had multiple fake outs where we went below the one. We hit the 1 fib level targets, but we reclaimed it. We back tested its support. Something that I'll always tell you guys on the channel. When we lose the 1 fib level, your target's the 1618. But we always explain how you could just come to the 1.272 or the 1414, reclaim the 1 fib level, hold it as support, and you will not go down further. Okay, you will not go down further. I say this all the time on the channel, and I hope that has helped you achieve your trading goals, because once you hold the 1 fib level, you reverse. It's all shown here. This is what I teach in the course, in the mentorship, step by step, until you get it, until I drill it into your heads and you just can't get it wrong. That's how in detail we go. I'm not the type of guy that's going to run off with your little £650. I make more than that in one trade, guys. It's not about the money. I've just got a goal in my life to teach as many people as possible. And yeah, it needs to be worth it for both of us. But really, yeah, it's not really worth it for me, because I can do it in one trade and I'm teaching you for 20 plus lessons over a month period. So you know what to do. This opportunity won't be here forever. Yeah, in the next few years, it's going to get too much for me. So eventually I will completely stop doing mentorship and it'll just be the course. So you won't get that valuable one-on-one time with me. Again, if you want to do the mentorship, you get 20 hours with your favorite YouTuber. Where have you heard this before? Go to Carl the Moon. Say, oh, Carl the Moon, I want 20 hours of you. You're going to get laughter. You won't even get a reply. Oh, MM Crypto, can I do 20 hours of you? You won't get a reply. So take advantage of this offer while it lasts, guys. I know that the prices are cheap, because I personally had to pay $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. And I'm getting people saying your prices are too high when I'm offering 20 hours for $650. It's literally not even £30 an hour, guys. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Thank you guys so much for getting to this far into the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. If you want to give back to the channel, please comment down below, like, subscribe. And if you want to go a bit further and send in a super thanks, that's much appreciated. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.